Welcome back to the channel, guys. As you can see, I got a pretty dirty house here to clean on the exterior. This is the north side. I washed this house about 5 years ago. This was one of the first houses I ever washed. And it's been that long since she has had me back out here. Now, all of these vines are not coming off. That is something that the painter takes care of, in my opinion. So those will be staying. Walk around to the back of the house here. Have all my property protection taken care of. Last time I was here, a bunch of wasps came out from right up in there in that corner right up there and attacked me. I don't remember if I got stung or not. I don't think I did. But it wasn't fun. And as you can see, it's got plenty of algae and mold on it. And this side over here, this is the south facing side. But as you can see, we got, looks like a big old hickory tree right there, blocking that sunshine. If y'all like this kind of content, appreciate a like, a follow, and a subscribe. Front of the house. Looks like we got a cracked window here. Got some cracks in the windows. But other than that, it's just a pretty straightforward house wash. I'll try to get some video while I'm washing, and we'll see what happens. All right, I got the front and the north side rinsed. I'm in the back now soaping. I don't know which side was worse, this one or the north side. But I'm gonna have to hit this twice also, most likely. We'll see what it looks like whenever I'm done with this first one. Oops, sorry about that. Well, not really. It happens. And the hose gets wrapped around you. Over here and get this corner over here. Back over here where the wasp attacked me at last time. I've already sprayed that corner though from the north side from the pool out, so that should be okay. That's an exposed electrical wire right there. I think that goes to her septic tank, because we are out here in the middle of nowhere. There's no sewage out here, there's just septic systems. Here's a fun fact. See that blue house right there? My wife and I had that built in 2005. And we sold it in 2013 because I had a job offer in a different city. So we had to sell it and move. I guess we were there for about 8 years. But now we're back. We don't live there. Big old spider. Right there. Climbing up the wall. I've knocked him down from up top. And now he's heading back home. See if I can knock him down again. There he comes. Just a swinging. There he goes. Alright, well this is the south side of the home. As you can see, it's pretty bad too. But that's because of this big old hickory tree right here behind me. That back side of the house, back around there, is dwelling now, I guess, about 5 minutes or so. Look at this another coat over here. I'll go check it, see what it looks like. It might be time to rinse, I don't know. It might need another coat. This side looking a lot better. Alright, let's go back to the back. This side's been dwelling back here about 5 or 10 minutes, so and you can tell I'm going to need to hit it again. A lot of it is gone, but the thicker stuff has turned brown, which means it's coming down. Now I'll go ahead and hit it with some more sauce here. All I'm doing, I'm just downstreaming this. Well, I might have to break out the soft wash and at least pump up anyway. Hit that again. Come over here and hit this. She got some rust right there that was hidden. That must be where her AC unit up in the attic drains right there. Right there. Hit these windows again to keep that chem from drying. Now. All right, guys, this is finished product here. Let's see here. Get you out of the sun so even I can see. I started spraying at about 8:30. It's now 10:42. So actually it only took me about an hour to wash his house. The other hour was talking with the customer. Like I said, we used to be next door neighbors. This is the north side here. All nice and clean. And the back side. Back side, all nice and clean. All that black that was there, you still see the rust. She didn't tell me all that rust was there, or else I would have brought a chemical for it. But all the black is gone. I had to hit it with a pump-up sprayer. So straight 10%. Everything else looks good.